Hi, I'm Melanie from Cardinia Shire Council. We're just getting ready to go on the bus tour. So I'm the guide for today. My name is Melanie, I'm the waste officer here at Council. We've got a group of 15 people. We're first of all going to a recycling facility over on the other side of the city in Coolaroo. We'll then be having lunch and then we're heading to a landfill site on the second part of our tour. So we've just arrived here at SKM Recycling. It's a pretty busy place, there's lots of trucks coming in and out. We'll be having a quick snack to eat and then we'll be doing a tour of the facility.
My name's Jeff Bunning, I'm Operations Manager of SKM Recycling. Recycling is getting bigger and bigger. I've been in this industry about 16 years and it's gone from a fairly piloty project, if you like, to something now that's very high on everyone's list for the environment, and recycled and reused. Some of the issues we have at SKM when we're sorting product is the contamination that's in amongst the good recyclables. People have either put the product in the wrong bin, and that's either because they're not sure whether it's recyclable or not, or they've put it in the wrong bin on purpose, which we hope is the lesser of the two. So we have lots of stuff that comes up the line: bricks, wood, garden hose, clothing, just household garbage, food, etc., that we have to manually sort, and we have staff down there taking that out, and that's a major issue to make sure that the product that goes out the door once we've sorted it is in a suitable standard for our customer when we on-sell it to them.
Hi, my name is Jay Muir. I'm the Stakeholder Engagement Manager for Cedar Victoria, and this is our Hampton Park Resource Recovery Precinct. The site consists of a landfill. A landfill is made up of many different holes, which we call cells, and each cell lasts approximately up to about 18 months to fill. A cell contains all of the contaminants as well as the waste, so anything associated with domestic and commercial waste that needs to be landfilled all goes into a cell. The two main things that we need to manage in regards to landfilling is the gas that's produced when the waste breaks down, and also leachate. Leachate is any liquid that comes into contact with waste. The lining system is constructed with a groundwater relief drain. Then we put down 1 metre of compacted clay. Then after that we have high density polyethylene liner, 2 millimetres thick. And then we have a geotextile fabric layer to protect that HDPE liner. After this, we lay our waste, which can be anywhere up to 30 metres of waste. After our landfill cell is filled and has our gas extraction in place, we cap it with 0.5 metre of compacted clay, 1 millimetre high density polyethylene liner, and topsoil and shallow rooted plants, shrubs and trees.
Okay, so we've just got back from our all-day tour at the waste facilities, back to the council offices here, and just some take-home messages from the day, that people actually have to deal with waste. When we went to the recycling facility earlier on, you would have seen that people were actually pulling out stuff on the conveyor belts, and they actually have to deal with the stuff that you put in your bin. Landfill. Far more interesting than we think it's going to be. It's not just burying stuff in a hole. There's actually a lot of ingenuity that goes into that. It gets all put into a cell and then eventually decomposes, and then there's all this landfill gas that we have to deal with. There is a positive to it. They did have energy that they were making from that landfill gas, which is a great step in the right direction. We just want to remind you all, to make sure that you're putting the correct things in your recycling bin. No things like clothing, no things like construction or demolition waste, bricks, rubble, anything like that can cause quite a lot of damage to the machinery, which isn't ideal and takes up a lot of time and money. So thanks for joining us in our tour today, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as we all did.